Hey everyone, Arnaldo Wafferman here, showing you the new DuraTruss DT-PRO4000. Some of you may have seen my video on the 5200. This is the little brother of it. It's a great stand. It shares some of the features that the 5200 does, but it's a lot more mobile friendly. Now, while it can't hold as much weight, this one holds about 260 some odd pounds as opposed to like the 400 pounds the 5200's weight. This is a lot smaller, easier to carry. In my opinion, this is an alternative to the ST132, but it has some great features on it which make this one better for the traveling production companies such as what we do. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features that this stand has and why it's such a great stand overall. Just like the 5200, you'll notice that the 4000 has that awesome removable handle, which means that you can crank this up and remove the handle and not worry about somebody messing with your event or with your stand mid-event. You'll also notice that there's a nice little level there so you can make sure your stand is nice and secure in the proper upright position. The winch-free design using a direct drive system means that you'll be able to easily use this again and again and again without fear of the winch cable popping on you or taking itself off the rail. You'll notice that this shares the exact same ingenious lock system. As I crank it up, you'll notice that it continually locks itself as each tooth goes up. So if for some reason it were to come crashing down for any reason, it would catch on to the next tooth with no problem. Once you have it as high as you'd like it, you'll notice that you cannot move this back at all. So when you remove the handle, there's no way that you can accidentally take this down or somebody else can take it down. To be able to put this in the unlock position so you can lower it, you just crank it up a little bit, bring it back, and then move it off to the side. And that's going to allow you to easily start lowering your truss or your stand without any issues. The direct drive system means that when you crank this up, you don't have to worry about pulling pins in and out or distributing the load between the top and the bottom rails. It automatically adjusts itself for you. Let's go ahead and set this bad boy up. Now, of course, if you need to roll it into a location, you just tip it on its side. You get it exactly where you need it to go. Remember that for your safety and for the safety of the stand, don't carry by the top part. Use the built-in carry handle to allow you to tilt and wheel it around as you wish. So all we got to do to take the legs out is we're just going to go ahead and undo the safety bolt here. And there's a nice little latch right there. So all we got to do is just kind of pin it down a bit. And you're going to hear it snap right back in as I lift it up. And then you bolt it in its place. We're going to go ahead and undo this leg. Now the leg is very easy. The main leg, you're going to see the little push pins. Just going to take those little push pins. And the leg folds right out. Now what you can do is just kind of tilt it back a little bit. You'll notice that the pins get locked right in and that it goes underneath the lip right here. Be very careful and hold it like this so you don't accidentally clamp your hands underneath. Remember, it's metal against metal. You'll notice that this little pin here comes right off and allows you to slide the leg on either side to be higher or lower to get your stand to a perfect height. The legs already have a safety sticker on it to make the bottom parts of the leg visible so nobody trips over them. However, these are not substitutes for safe practices. Make sure you use common sense whenever you use any kind of tripod leg or outrigger wherever there's going to be public presence. Now here comes the fun part. All you do is basically, and I've already done this, but you just slide your thing right on top, which you'll notice has a couple different holes in it. So if you want to start it off a little bit higher, you can, or you can start it off at the lowest level. Lock this in. We're going to go and put this in the lock position because I want this to lock up as I crank it. You'll notice the lock moves in and out quickly as it locks in. Now on this side, it's going to show me the height of the stand itself and then the height at the top of the truss. Pretty simple. It cranks up quite nicely. Now, of course, once you have the height as high as you'd like it, it locks in automatically. You can remove your handle and no worries. When you're done, tilt it back like I showed you for the lock And then it comes right back down. Super easy. Take it all the way down. Locks itself in nicely. And again, you can take out the handle. You can undo these pins. So let's go ahead and undo that. The way I personally do it is I'm just going to push that pin up. Bring this up right over here. Bolt it in like that. Pull the pin out. Lift up the legs. And again, this is super lightweight. And there you go. When I'm ready to roll, I can just take it, tilt it, and I can move. So there it is. The DuraTruss DT-PRO4000. A fantastic stand for the mobile DJ that wants a powerful yet lightweight stand that doesn't need as much inspection as the winch alternative method. Again, winch-free, direct drive design, a lot safer, easier to maintain for the average mobile DJ. And it's great. It's lightweight, easy to roll around as well. The wheels are a very nice touch. Any questions or anything, make sure you guys leave a comment in the video below or contact your nearest dealer. My name's Arnaldo Offerman. Thanks so much, and God bless.